Alright, we have an iPhone 11 screen replacement. First, unscrew the bottom, pry the screen from the frame, open it up, remove this bottom screw, 3 bottom screw, unplug the battery, remove screw, the bracket screw holding the screen, disconnect that, unscrew the front speaker from the old screen and transfer it to the new screen, screw it back, clip it back to the phone, clip the battery for the last, secure the bracket with screws. That's pretty much it. Screw, then screw, clip the phone, put a bottom screw in, all set.